Today we are going to be focusing on organizing all of these things. These are a mixture of different hauls over the past couple of weeks, and I filmed everything that I needed to film, so I just need to organize everything. So this is going to be an organizing video. There's going to be a lot of montages. Specifically, I'm going to be in this video organizing my drawers with my vanity, everything that's in my vanity, because yeah, girl needs to get her life together. So I actually have a couple of things I want to unbox beforehand. So let me try to find my box cutter. So we'll just open this guy. So I'm gonna show you the opposite side, so you don't see my address. Well, let me just open this. So ooh, this is for my mom. This is her Christmas gift. It's okay that I'm showing this to you guys, because by the time this video is uploaded, probably it's already Christmas. Who the heck knows, to be honest. Oh my god. What in the world? Why is this? Okay. Oh, washi tape. I got washi tape. I think these are additional ones, but I got washi tape to organize all of my cords, because I have so many cords, you guys have no idea. And then if I want to, you know, use them for notebooks and cute little, you know, designing. These kind of look dirty. I low-key might not want to use them. Should I toss these? We'll see. I don't know if I'll be able to disinfect it. Maybe it has chlorine. To be honest, I don't even know. Anyway. This is like legit stuck. Ooh! I'm just gonna open this and throw this out. This is my Switch game organizer that I bought, Animal Crossing themed. Although I don't like this color green, but you know what? Who cares? How do I open this? No, upside down. So just like that, and then you can put all of the games in here, because actually, to be honest, on camera this green looks so much more better than in person. Like, for whatever reason, on camera, at least when I'm looking at the viewfinder, it looks like the green in the picture, but in person, girl, this green is ugly. So anyway, this is not what I expected. Like, I expected it to be more turquoise, like a turquoise green, not this ugly, I don't know, St. Patrick's Day clover green. But anyway, either way, I need it. I'm not gonna return it just for the color. So this can hold 8 games and 2 little mini SD cards. So I bought it for the storage because I need it. I will leave my Black Friday haul, and you will see, girl, I needed I need space. Now it's time for this guy. Ironically, I don't need this battery pack as much as I needed it when I first bought it. But you know what? I'm gonna keep it just in case, because I thought I was gonna work. I got it for work because I have been needing to charge, and I don't want to go out without a charger. But you know what? That's fine. You never know when you'll need a battery pack, and I don't have a battery pack. I was a working one. So, that a power bank. My bad. So we have, it's actually quite heavy. Dang. Oh, dang. So, I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to open this right now, like it's Christmas. Oh, snap. Okay. Wait, I need to turn it off. Stop. How do you turn it off? Alright, now that is charging. I don't know why I opened the thing to the cord, because girl, I have so many cords. Ugh, it's insane. That's why I needed this washi tape. And then we have whatever the heck this is. What is this? What did I buy? What the? Oh, it's my AirPods. earplugs, headphones, whatever you want to call them. Headset. Thingamathing. Okay, I needed these initially when I bought them. To have one from work and then one here instead of bringing them back and forth because I need the actual, like, the ones with the plug. But now I don't need them. But you know what? I'm going to keep them. Because now I'm working remotely 100% again. But you know what? Who knows what's going to happen in the future. So I'm going to keep these. Because you just never know. What's in here again? Oh, washi tape. You know what? My nightstand is a mess. But you know what? My life is a mess. Apparently they say you can find the personality of someone. Know their personality or what's going on in their life based off of their nightstand. So there you go. Here's my nightstand. So you know it's chaotic. You can see the chaoticness, but you know what? That's okay. So I'm just gonna see if I can somehow organize all this. Although I feel like this would be better if this was organized first. But I will do a cleaning video probably tomorrow because I have so much things to do. Alright, it is montage time. Again, all this will be clear sooner or later. I just don't know when. So, my gosh. Alright, I'm just going to show you guys this box with all makeup that I need to organize. And we have this guy. I need to figure out what I'm going to do. I like the packaging, so I want to keep it. And then this guy also I'm going to have to keep in the box because there's just so many. And I'm going to do a declutter later on. Sometime, who knows when. And then boom. So these guys I can't really organize because my vanity is so full. I need to do a declutter. So I don't know what I'm going to do with these other than stuffing them somewhere. So we have this box and I'm just going to organize it, figure out where I'm going to put everything. I'm also going to open this guy and actually I'll just put this and this aside because I'm gonna try this guy out tonight and then possibly tomorrow, sometime tomorrow, I will try this just so that I know if I'm gonna keep them or not. Alright, now it is time for me to throw away all the boxes, which is a lot, by the way. That's garbage. Just a lot of garbage. I'll be right back. Your mama, your mama. No. Oh my God. Alright, you can barely see me. So that is it for this video, for this Vlogmas. I have a lot of editing to do because I am one person doing everything. And it's a lot of work. So, hopefully you enjoy the video. Get ready for part 2 and like the cleaning with my room. So tomorrow's vlog is most likely going to be me cleaning everything off of my nightstand my vanity, and then probably the vlog after that is going to be rearranging my room. So get ready for that. A lot of things are going to happen. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, press the bell notification to be notified when I upload. And excuse me, mouthful. It's been a very busy day. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Don't skip the ads, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!